My dear friend, have you ever woken up and felt your legs heavy, each step harder than before? You're not alone. Millions over 60 sense their strength slipping away. Many assume it's just the law of aging. But after 25 years with patients, I know weakness is not always age itself. Often, it's the sign of sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. Sarcopenia is like a silent thief. It starts in your 40s, then accelerates in your 60s and 70s, stealing strength, mobility, and independence. That is why recognizing it early is vital, because muscle is the foundation of freedom and vitality. I recall John, 72, who once loved morning walks. Over time, even lifting his legs was hard, and he needed a chair to stand. "Doctor, I feel like my body doesn't belong to me anymore," he said. But here's the good news. Your body can fight back. The answer isn't costly pills or gyms. It's right on your table. Fruits hold extraordinary power to help muscles resist time's wear. Imagine this. Instead of just coffee, you add berries, avocado, or a crisp apple. That simple act tells your body, I still want to be strong. I still want to move forward. Science has shown that fruits rich in antioxidants, potassium, anthocyanins, or ursolic acid can reduce inflammation, repair muscles, improve circulation, and even spark new growth. I've seen patients transform in just weeks. Cramps vanish, mornings feel lighter, and joy returns to their eyes. In this video, I'll share 7 fruits, chosen from years of clinical practice and research, companions to help you stay strong after 60. With them, every step becomes steadier, every breath more full of life. So if your legs tremble or your shoulders weaken, remember, there is hope. Stay with me as we open this natural handbook. Rebuilding muscle isn't a distant dream. It's right there on your dining table. Apple, when people think of apples, they recall the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." After more than 20 years with older patients, I've learned this is not just a slogan. Apples truly hold power for muscles. Often people peel away the skin, yet in that thin peel lies ursolic acid, shown to prevent muscle loss and even spark new growth. Eating apples with skin is like sending extra building material to every muscle fiber. I remember Martha, 72, who felt exhausted during her morning walks. She said, "I eat apples, but I always peel them." I urged her to wash carefully and keep the skin. Weeks later, she returned smiling. "Doctor, I feel much stronger now." This little apple feels like an energy booster. Apples also provide pectin, a soluble fiber that stabilizes blood sugar, reduces inflammation, and maintains steady energy. One apple can fuel you all afternoon, preventing muscles from being starved. The key is consistency. Apples don't work by instant magic, but through daily habit. A small act repeated every day becomes the foundation of health. They are easy to add. Eat them whole, slice with almond butter, or cook into oatmeal. Simple choices make apples a natural part of life. To me, apples are like a humble teacher, quiet, steady, and reliable. Over time, they leave you stronger, more resilient, and even younger in both steps and spirit. Pomegranate. Have you ever cut open a pomegranate and admired its seeds shining like rubies? To me, it's more than autumn's heart. It's a treasure chest for aging muscles. Many older patients tell me their legs feel heavy, they tire quickly, and stares leave them breathless. The issue is often not weak muscles alone, but poor circulation. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients, and when flow is blocked, muscles suffer. This is where the pomegranate shines. Rich in polyphenols, pomegranates boost nitric oxide, relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation. They are like road workers, clearing paths so nutrients flow freely. I recall Estelle, 74, who loved gardening but grew too weak to walk her yard. Her granddaughter gave her pure pomegranate juice. Weeks later, she returned smiling. "Doctor, I can care for my roses again. My legs no longer feel heavy." A small change gave back her joy. Science confirms it. Studies show pomegranate juice helps older adults recover strength, reduces soreness, and improves endurance. This benefit isn't just for athletes. It helps anyone who wants to climb stairs or walk in the park with ease. Pomegranates are versatile. Eat the seeds fresh, sprinkle them on salads or yogurt, or drink pure juice. But choose 100% juice without added sugar. If you take blood pressure or blood thinning medication, consult your doctor first. Avocado. Have you ever thought that the creamy avocado could be a silent guard for your muscles? Over the years, I've seen patients who eat avocados regularly resist weakness much better. Many fear it's fat, but science shows those are healthy monounsaturated fats that calm hidden inflammation, the quiet enemy that slowly erodes muscle strength. I recall Clara, 72, who suffered nightly leg cramps. I suggested half an avocado at breakfast. 2 weeks later, she smiled. "Doctor, the cramps are gone. Now I can walk around the neighborhood without tiring." She still keeps this simple habit, and it transformed her life. Avocados are also a mineral store, richer in potassium than bananas and full of magnesium, a duo that prevents painful cramps and keeps muscles working smoothly. They're also rich in vitamin E and lutein, antioxidants that protect muscle cells like oil keeps a machine running. For patients with diabetes or high blood pressure, avocado is an excellent snack swap. Low in sugar, high in fiber, it stabilizes blood sugar and prevents energy crashes. Many have told me they feel less tired after replacing pastries with avocado smoothies. To me, avocado is more than food. It's a loyal friend, quietly protecting and supporting your muscles each day. Every time you eat one, you're sending your body a small gift of strength and endurance. Prunes. When people think of prunes, they often think of digestion. But after years with older patients, I've seen prunes as a quiet superfood that protects both bones and muscles. Joe, 69, a truck driver, hated vegetables and healthy food, but suffered nightly cramps. I suggested 5 to 6 prunes each morning. Weeks later, he smiled. "Doctor, no more cramps. I sleep through the night." Hard to believe something this sweet is so powerful. Prunes are rich in potassium, boron, and vitamin K, nutrients that keep muscles and bones strong together. They also contain antioxidants and fiber that reduce inflammation, steady blood sugar, and improve nutrient absorption. A study showed women who ate prunes daily had higher bone density, giving muscles a solid foundation. Eat them like candy, mix into oatmeal, or blend into smoothies. Despite their sweetness, prunes have a low glycemic index. To me, prunes are a sweet but strong friend. Just a handful each day, simple but powerful, helping you stay steady and resilient with age. Oranges, tangerines. Few realize that muscles need not only protein, but also vitamin C to use protein effectively. No fruits supply it more abundantly than oranges and tangerines. Linda, 70, added more protein to her diet, but still felt weak. She dislikes sour fruits, So I explained that vitamin C is vital for collagen, the cement that binds muscles to bones. After drinking fresh orange juice daily, she returned smiling. I feel stronger, and even my skin looks brighter. Beyond vitamin C, citrus fruits provide antioxidants and fiber that reduce inflammation and steady blood sugar. Their fresh, vibrant flavor brings a sense of renewal many older patients crave in the morning. I often suggest eating the whole fruit, not just juice, for maximum fiber. Add slices to salad or enjoy tangerines as a light dessert. Simple, refreshing, and natural medicine for muscles and spirit. To me, citrus fruits are the golden sunlight of winter. A reminder our bodies can stay resilient if we nourish them with nature's simple gifts. Tart cherries. Do you remember waking up sore after simple activity like stairs or gardening? Many think it's aging, but much of it comes from silent inflammation in muscles. I compare inflammation to a small flame, quiet but slowly eating away strength and flexibility. Tart cherries, unlike sweet cherries, contain anthocyanins, natural anti-inflammatories that soothe muscles and speed recovery. Paul, 68, said his legs felt like dragging cement blocks each morning. I suggested unsweetened tart cherry juice at night. 2 weeks later, he returned. "Doctor, I sleep deeply and my body feels lighter." Walking is no longer heavy beyond fighting inflammation. Tart cherries provide melatonin, vital for quality sleep, when muscles repair. Without deep rest, weakness worsens. Research from Oregon Health and Science University showed older adults drinking tart cherry juice had less muscle damage. Even daily walkers can benefit, not just athletes. Imagine replacing sleeping pills with a glass of pure tart cherry juice, some music, and waking refreshed, legs light again. That's the power nature gives us. Choose 100% unsweetened juice, dried cherries, or natural extract. Safe and effective, they're one of the simplest remedies I've seen. Tart cherries are like a cool drink of water for inflamed muscles, helping you grow stronger, sleep peacefully, and live more fully each day. Bananas, do you remember the last time your body felt like it was running out of battery in the afternoon? Arms and legs weak, you just wanted to sit down. For many older adults, that's a sign muscles are lacking energy and minerals. No fruit recharges more simply than a banana. Rich in potassium, bananas help muscles contract smoothly, prevent cramps, and keep the heartbeat steady. When patients complain of calf cramps, I always ask, "Did you eat potassium today?" Often, one banana a day makes the difference. They also provide vitamin B6 and fiber to stabilize blood sugar, preventing sudden crashes that weaken muscles. My dear friend, have you ever woken up and felt your legs heavy, each step harder than before? You're not alone. Millions over 60 sense their strength slipping away. Many assume it's just the law of aging. But after 25 years with patients, I know weakness is not always age itself. Often, it's the sign of sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. Sarcopenia is like a silent thief. It starts in your 40s, then accelerates in your 60s and 70s, stealing strength, mobility, and independence. That is why recognizing it early is vital, because muscle is the foundation of freedom and vitality.